3, 6, 7, 8, 9 multiply by 12. Forget 1. And then carry the first digit or copy that one as it is and write it 3. The first number should be multiplied by 2 and then add next digit. 3 into 2 is equal to 6 plus next digit is 6. Add 6, then it will be 12. Write 2, carry 1. Now the next number or digit is 6. Multiply with 2. 6 2s are 12 plus next number is 7. If you add, you will get 19. 9, 1 carry. Now the 2 should be multiplied with 7. 7 2s are 14. Next number is 8. 14 plus 8, 22. 2 and 2 carry. The next number is 8. 8 should be multiplied with 2 and add the next number, that is 9. 8 2s are 16 plus 9, 25. 5, 2 carry. The last number is 9. Multiply with 2. 9 2s are 18 plus 0. No numbers are there. So 8 and 1 carry. Add all these numbers. The first number is 8. 5 plus 1 6. 2 plus 2 4. 9 plus 2 11. 1 carry. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 1 4. 3 plus 1 4. This is the answer. 4 4 1 4 6 8. When you multiply 3 6 7 8 9 by 12. 4 6 3 7 6 multiply by 14. Forget 1 in 14. Forget 1. Carry the first number or copy the first number as it is. Multiply the first number into 4 and add the next digit. 4 4s are 16 plus next number is 6. If you add 6, you will get 22. 2 and carry 2. Multiply 4 with 6. 4 6 are 24 and 3 you should add it. 24 plus 3 27. 7 2 carry. 4 3s are 12 plus 7 19. 9 1 carry. 4 7s are 28 plus 6 34. 4 3 carry. 4 6 are 24. No numbers are there after 6, so write 4 and carry 2. Now add all the numbers, that is 4. 4 plus 2 6. 12. 1 carry. 9. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 4 9 2 6 4. 6 4 9 2 6 4 is the answer for when you multiply 4 6 3 7 6 by 14. Now we will multiply 2 3 4 2 5 by 17. Forget 1 in 17. Carry or copy the first digit, that is 2, and multiplied, first number is multiplied with 7, add the next digit, so on. 2 7s are 14 plus 3 17. 7 and 1 carry. 7 3s are 21 plus 4. 25, 5, 2 carry, 7 4s are 28, plus 2 30, 0, 3 carry, 7 2s are 14, plus 5 19, 1 carry, 7 5s are 35, no next number, so 5 and 3, add all the numbers. The first one is 5, 9 plus 3 12, 1 carry, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 2, and 5 plus 3 8, 7 plus 2 9, 2 plus 1 3. 398225 is the answer when you multiply 23425 by 17. Now we will multiply by 19. That is 36324 multiplied by 19. Forget 1 in 19. So copy the first digit as it is and multiply with 9. The first digit, add the next digits. 9 3s are 27, plus 6 33, 3 and 3 carry. Next one is 6, 9 6 are 54 plus 3, 57, 7, 5 carry. 9 3s are 27, plus 2, 29, 9, 2 carry. 9 2s are 18, plus 4, 22, 2 and 2 carry. Last one is 4, 9 4s are 36, no next number, so 6 and 3. Add all the numbers. 6, 2 plus 3, 5, 9 plus 2, 11, 1 carry, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 0 and 1 carry, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 5, 9 and 3 plus 6, 3, 6. 690156 is the answer when you multiply 36324 by 19. In the similar way, you can multiply any numbers by 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. In a similar way, you can multiply any number 11 to 19.